Thank you, good people. We have another module, product demos. This is one quick look. Before we begin, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your bottom right on your screen. After that, we shall begin with the first unit. How to create a product demo. This one has only 2 learning objectives. I encourage you please to read through the learning objectives. We have notes here. We have a video. Please watch this video to get the best out of this module. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. What are the 3 magic words to get from problem to solve solution? Story, challenge, journey, how, what, why, notice, see, view, because, therefore, and, but. The right answer here is D. What are the 3 magic words to get from problem to solution? Because, therefore, but. D is the correct answer. True or false, the more takeaways in the product demo, the better the demo. The more takeaways from a product demo, the better the demo. This is false. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel so that you get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. Until then, bye-bye.